Musk's Gigafactories are definitely boosting Tesla and its valuation by the millions. Recently, Tesla became the 6th company in the world to hit the $1 trillion mark and are definitely not planning to stop anytime soon. With the success of their Gigafactory in Shanghai, Musk is reportedly planning to open another Gigafactory in China. So what exactly is Musk doing to achieve this mission? And how will Tesla go about this new plan? These are among the questions we'll be answering in today's video. So let's start off by asking, what is a Gigafactory? Tesla has a reputation for being a leader in the electric vehicle sector. Every year, the firm appears to be attracting more and more customers from all around the world. With demand showing no signs of abating, Tesla was compelled to reconsider its production strategy. To tackle the demand problem, the Gigafactories around the world act as a manufacturing powerhouse. Tesla currently claims to be able to produce 500,000 automobiles per year. Gigafactories consolidate manufacturing and enable the fabrication of more parts in-house. As a consequence, time and expenses are reduced, resulting in cheaper pricing for the customer. Tesla also made it a top priority to make the Gigafactories as eco-friendly as feasible. The Gigafactories are all zero-energy plants. This implies they solely use energy derived from renewable sources. This implies a lot of solar electricity and no negative byproducts in the case of Gigafactories. When most people think about Tesla, they think of automobiles like the Model 3, which are now widely available on the road. They may also consider how the company's products, such as the Tesla roof, are pushing renewable energy innovation. While these goods are remarkable and pique the public's curiosity, Tesla's future success is dependent on one thing: the Tesla Gigafactory. The Tesla Gigafactory is an intriguing concept that has the potential to revolutionize manufacturing and production as we know it. It's a novel idea with a lot of potential, one that has pushed Elon Musk and Tesla chips all the way to the center of the table. Consider the Gigafactory to be the engine that drives Tesla's manufacturing. As Musk describes it, it's the machine that makes the machine, a gigantic structure with millions of square feet of floor area. Tesla is poised for tremendous prosperity in the future if the Gigafactory concept proves to be a success. While some may equate Tesla with their Fremont, California manufacturing, this Tesla facility is not a Gigafactory. The Tesla plant in Fremont appears to be one large structure from the outside, but it is actually a collection of interconnected structures. The factory has expanded through time, building new structures as demand has increased. It's because of this need that a Gigafactory has become a requirement. Tesla sought to prove that electric vehicles could be beautiful, high quality, and ecologically beneficial when they first appeared on the scene with their electric automobiles. The response was virtually overwhelming, and demand for the Model 3 in particular soared. The demand for the Model 3 has escalated to the point where waiting times for one might be as long as 3 months or longer. And by all accounts, demand isn't about to taper down anytime soon. Elon Musk unveiled the Tesla Cybertruck in November 2019, and the vehicle has already surpassed 1 million pre-orders. Tesla, of course, needs a solution that would allow for speedier vehicle manufacturing. This is where the Tesla Gigafactory enters the picture. This Tesla facility has the machinery, space, and technology required to produce the company's products. This includes electric vehicles, lithium-ion battery cells, solar panels, and a variety of other products. The Gigafactory enables for speedier manufacturing and removes the additional cost of shipping parts to numerous assembly locations. According to Tesla's website, the Gigafactory will lower the cost of electric vehicle batteries, lowering the cost of Tesla automobiles as well. As a result, more individuals will be able to buy a Tesla vehicle, driving demand even higher. While the Tesla Gigafactory concept is intriguing, the firm still has a long way to go before it can become a reality. Tesla's Nevada Gigafactory was the first to begin construction. The vast complex has approximately 2 million square feet of floor area, yet it is still not fully utilized. Currently, this Gigafactory does not create any Model 3s, at least not in their whole. Instead, the factory focuses on producing Model 3 motors. The motors are then shipped to the Tesla facility in Fremont, where the vehicles are finished. That isn't to imply the Nevada plant is finished. In fact, the Gigafactory looks to be operating just about 30% of its full capacity. The facility also produces Model 3 battery packs and energy storage items like the Power Pack and Power Wall, in addition to the Model 3 motors. The Gigafactory will expand over time, hopefully realizing Elon Musk's aim of perfect vertical integration for all Tesla goods. The objective is to become completely self-sufficient, allowing the company to create things at a faster rate and fulfill the increasing demand. There's still a long way to go until Musk's vision becomes a reality, but with technological breakthroughs, that should all change very soon. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has claimed that he wants to see 10 to 20 gigafactories developed over the next 2 decades. Because it is the first gigafactory outside of the United States, Giga Shanghai is the guinea pig so far. Everything appears to be going well. Other growing markets, including Argentina, Mexico, and Morocco, may soon see gigafactories spring up. Gigafactories might be a stepping stone in the development of emerging markets. A gigafactory's primary advantage is the creation of jobs. They improve the industry, open up new trade opportunities, and provide a clean alternative to gasoline-powered cars. Gigafactories have the potential to be a driver for global poverty alleviation. Many people consider the Shanghai Tesla Gigafactory to be the pinnacle of Elon Musk's concept. Tesla built the factory in just 168 days, thanks to a lack of red tape in China and fewer environmental concerns. Tesla produced around 4,000 Model 3s per week when production began in Giga Shanghai in 2020. Tesla has nearly quadrupled its production level in the last year, indicating that the Gigafactory targets are feasible. Tesla believes that it is capable of producing 450,000 automobiles per year in Giga Shanghai. For the time being, the factory has proven to be quite effective in satisfying demand. In fact, Tesla has claimed that the Gigafactory's output might lead to finished automobiles being sent to Europe to satisfy demand. The corporation is pleased with the findings from China, and it intends to establish a research and development center there. The most visible way in which Giga Shanghai contributes is by creating employment in China. The Gigafactory has employed around 2,000 employees since its completion in 2019. Many of the positions are on the assembly line, making them accessible to ordinary people with no formal secondary education. Giga Shanghai provides jobs as well as a remedy to the city's massive population problem, with the poorest residents residing in the hardest hit areas. The air quality index in Shanghai is normally around 150. An AQI of 0 to 50 indicates good air quality. Giga Shanghai illustrates that companies may still run on a vast scale without relying on fossil fuels and other non-renewable energy sources, in a country where up to 1.24 million people die from pollution-related ailments every year. Thousands of lives might be spared each year if the energy technology utilized in Giga Shanghai was extended to other companies in the city, specifically the lives of the poorest inhabitants who cannot afford to migrate out of the most polluting neighborhoods. For many consumers in China and internationally, the cost of the world's most popular EV, which is the Tesla Model 3, remained prohibitively high prior to Giga Shanghai. With the potential to manufacture the Model 3 in China, manufacturing and shipping expenses in Asia and Europe have been reduced. The Chinese Tesla Model 3's production cost has lowered by up to 28% when compared to its American counterparts. Chinese residents now have more than ever access to clean, dependable personal transportation that does not damage their cities. New economic prospects with European nations have also opened up as a result of Giga Shanghai. Because Teslas are cheaper in China, nations like Germany, France, Italy, Portugal, and Sweden prefer to buy them. China is getting closer to being a fully developed economy through trading in increasing volumes with industrialized economies. Looking at the success of Giga Shanghai, one can expect the new Gigafactory to be a success as well. It would be an understatement to say that Tesla has enormous intentions for its Gigafactory concept. It won't be long until we see the new Gigafactory in China and more factories like this all throughout the planet. The groundwork has been done, so to speak, and the potential is obvious. That brings us to the end of today's video. Please make sure to hit like on this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.